Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to restart the program from the same line where it got interrupted due to power failure or reset due to some other reason. You can see program number 05 is currently running for about more than 20 minutes. Now machine has been interrupted due to power failure or reset button or some other reason. First take the Z-axis to reference using reference button. Now press auto mode. Now press right arrow soft key. Now press restart soft key. Wait until restart search page appears. Now press OPRT soft key. Now press search execute soft key. Wait until this page opens. Now switch to MDI mode. Press program button. Delete unwanted codes except M03, RPM command and coolant on command. Now press cycle start. Now you can see, spindle started to rotate along with coolant on. Now switch to auto mode. And press cycle start. Now you can see the machine is running from the same line where it stopped. Thank you for watching the video.